Hello, stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm your host, Cathy Rankin, and for Thursday, March 27th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets. Today's headline news are brought to you by Global Roaming Distribution Incorporated. Global Roaming Distribution is the parent company of CelTrek, an international global SIM card company. CelTrek is the first U.S.-based company of its kind that offers one SIM card for use in all 7 continents at an extremely competitive price. Its strategic partnerships with more than 350 GSM systems position the company to be the top business roaming solution for corporations. Now let's get right into our headline news from Wednesday. An interesting story. A federal jury yesterday convicted the founder of a failed healthcare company of trying to bribe a witness in an upcoming $1.9 billion fraud trial. Not a good idea. The jury took one day to deliver its decision against Lance Poulsen, former chief executive officer of National Century Financial Enterprises, described as the nation's largest healthcare financing firm before its 2002 bankruptcy. Oil prices soared more than $4 a barrel yesterday as 2 big market drivers, lower than expected fuel inventories and another slide in the dollar, had traders buying in force for the first time in a week. The markets opened up this morning with the Dow down 109.74 points or 0.88%, the Nasdaq down 16.69 points or 0.71%, and the S&P 500 also down 11.86 points or 0.88%. And now let's look at the small cap news that Quality Stocks is tracking for you. Our small cap headlines are brought to you by QuoteMedia Incorporated. QuoteMedia is a leading data provider of financial stock market data, market news feeds, and related financial software solutions to financial service companies, online brokerages, clearing firms, banks, and public corporations. Now, the QualityStocks.net daily newsletter would like to highlight Axiom Management Incorporated, and they are up 14% with 600 shares traded. Axiom Management operates as a full-service staff recruitment, fulfillment, and human resources management company. They provide an array of logistics support services to a wide range of fields, including clerical, technical, light manufacturing, and light industrial. Axiom also recently established a wholly owned subsidiary to offer high-margin risk management services to address rising workers' compensation costs and related expenses. V2K International Incorporated is up 34 cents with over 86,000 shares traded. V2K sells and supports its franchises, which specialize in the residential and commercial window fashion industry in the United States. Through a $6.1 million investment from a strategic partner, the company has initiated its kiosk marketing program with a major retailer at 2 test sites. BioShaft Water Technology is up 13% with over 119,000 shares traded. BioShaft announced 2 new agreements, the first being with FPS International based in the state of Kuwait, in which BioShaft will generate revenues through the licensing of its patented Hands BioShaft system to FPS in the Arab Gulf Countries Council and Egypt, allowing BioShaft to receive royalties on FPS annual gross revenues from the BioShaft systems. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to the QualityStocks.net daily newsletter for the latest news from small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And please be sure to see our disclaimer on the QualityStocks.net website. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a fantastic day, and we're going to see you again tomorrow right here on your daily report.